So students, we discuss three cases in it. First is when the whole amount is not recovered. When the whole amount is not recovered. Okay, means rupees 10,000 goods are sold on credit and the whole amount is converted into bad debt. At that time we can say that when whole amount is not recovered. So we will understood this with an example, and we also generalize the transaction. So example is student Mohan, who owed rupees 2,000, has become insolvent. Mohan, who owed rupees 2,000, become insolvent. Okay students, he become insolvent. Now in this case the whole amount is become bad debt, converted into bad debt, because Mohan become insolvent. Rupees 2,000 converted into bad debt means rupees 2,000 doesn't receive from him. At that time student, the journal entry will be journal entry. So students, bad debt is the expense or is the loss of the business. So bad debt account debit with the amount which is treated as bad debt. So how much amount is become bad debt? Rupees 2,000. So bad debt is loss of the business because this amount doesn't recovered from the customer or from the person who owe it. So bad debt account is debit to Mohan's account. Okay students, and the value is 2,000 and the nation is 4. For the amount not recoverable, for amount not recoverable, written off as bad debt. Clear students? So this is the entry in first case when whole amount is not recovered. Rupees 2,000 are rupees 2,000 owed from Mohan, and this amount fully bad debt. The second case is student under bad debt when part of debt not recovered. In first case, the whole amount does not recover, but in the second case, part of the amount is recovered and the part of the amount does not recover. And the example of this student, example is Mohan owed rupees 2,000. Mohan owed rupees 2,000, become insolvent, he pay 50 paise in a rupee. He pay 50 paise in a rupee and final settlement for full and final settlement. Full and final settlement. So in this transaction, student, this transaction is related to bad debt because Mohan owed rupees 2,000. He has to give rupees 2,000 for the proprietor, but he become insolvent and he pay only 50 paise in a rupee for the full and final settlement. Means he pay only half of the amount. So the journal entry will be cash account debit. So cash account is debit with the part of amount which is received. So the part of amount is received, students, 2000 into 50 paise. Okay, so the part is 1000. 1000 amount is received and half of amount is treated as bad debt. So bad debt account is also debit here because some part of debt is become bad debt. Bad debt account debit with 1000. So from 2000, 1000 is received, means 1000 is bad debt, and we write here to Mohan's account. To Mohan's account with 2000. So clear, student? Entry will be clear that cash account, some part of money is received and some part is treated as bad debt. So he paid only 50 paise in a rupee. So cash account is debit with which amount which is received, rupees 2000 into 50 paise 1000. So means out of 2000, 1000 is received. Bad debt account debit, bad debt is here because 1000 doesn't received from him, so it is treated as bad debt. So bad debt is the loss, that is why the bad debt account is debit. And to Mohan's account, and the narration is for 50 paise in a rupee received, 50 paise in a rupee received, in a rupee received from Mohan, out of total debt, rupees 2000. Clear, students? Students, third case is bad debt recovered which are previously written off. So students, sometimes the debtor's account which is treated as bad debt previous year, he pays, that debtor pays some amount. Okay, so at that time, students, the amount which is paid by the debtor is gain of the business. It is the gain of the business. Okay, so at that time the entry will be, so first of all I will give you example and after that I will pass the journal entry. So example is, student, the example is received cash for a bad debt, received cash for a bad debt, written off last year, rupees 2000. So received cash of a bad debt which is previously written off as 2000, okay, and the amount is 2000. So the entry will be, students, the entry will be cash account debit, to bad debt recovered account, and amount which is received rupees 2000. Yeah. Third case under this, bad debt recovered, which previously written off. So students, sometime the debtor pay the amount which is previously treated as bad debt, means debtor has, after some time debtor becomes solvent, he has some amount of money to pay its debt. At that time he pay the money which is treated as bad debt. So bad debt is converted into cash, it is the gain for the business. Okay, so the example of this, student, received cash for a bad debt, for a bad debt, received cash for a bad debt, a return of last year, return of last year. So bad debt is recovered which is previously written off. So rupees 2000. Okay. So this is the gain of the business student. At that time the amount is received and bad debt recovered is the gain. It is the income. So bad debt account should be credited and the entry will be student cash account debit. Cash account debit with 2000 to bad debt recovered account. Bad debt recovered account. Clear students? So the third case under this, when bad debt recovered which is previously written off. Okay, so at that time the debtor pay the money. Okay, so this bad debt, we can say that this bad debt converted into good debt. Okay, and the amount is recovered and the entry will be cash account debit with 2000 to bad debt recovered account. So bad debt recovered is the income of the business. Clear students? That's why bad debt account is credited here and the narration is students for bad debt recovered which previously written off. Clear students?